Are you thinking about buying a home this year? Here's why right now might be the best time to do it. Welcome to Florida Suncoast Living, our little real estate channel here on YouTube. My name is Keith Connors. Thank you a ton for checking out the channel. Appreciate you watching this video. Did you know that historically, the lowest home prices of the year tend to happen right now? Yeah, of course, before spring hits. Everybody knows that, right? The National Association of Realtors found that in the past years, January, February, and March had the lowest median home prices. Take a look at this. See those three green bars? They show prices were at their lowest just before the spring market took off. In just a few minutes, I'm going to explain why this trend could save you thousands of dollars if you buy now instead of waiting until April, May, or June trying to time the market. Right after our pitiful property punchline, it's our joke of the day. Oh, first, be sure and click the links below before you leave and check out our free property valuation tools. They're fast, they're free, and they're easy. There's 5 tools, and they will help you get the very best price on any property you buy or sell. They work great. Check them out. Okay, our pitiful property punchline joke of the day. Are you ready? What is every real estate agent's favorite kind of tea? You know it. It's proper tea. Now, today's topic. If this trend continues, we could be looking at the lowest home prices of the year today. Yeah, right now. That means waiting until spring or summer could cost you more. Why? Well, because competition heats up, more people move, more sellers get multiple offers and prices climb. So if you've been thinking about buying a home, now might be the perfect time to make your move, be the only buyer in the market, perhaps. Let's talk about your options and see how we can find you the best deal before the market shifts. And by the way, prices are dropping already. Hey, thanks for checking out the Florida Suncoast Living channel. Please share this video with someone you love or even someone you like just a little bit. And remember, you can see your home's value fast, free, and easy with the links below and my website, whatismyhomereallyworth.com. That's whatismyhomereallyworth.com. And you can always see properties for sale on or near the beach on the Florida Suncoast at MrBeachHouse.com. That's MrBeachHouse.com. Please like and subscribe, share the videos. That way I can keep the videos coming and more bad jokes too. See you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.